Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the LeetCode question number 1299. In this question, we have to replace elements with greatest element on right side. So basically, they give us an array, and we have to find that if the right side we find one element which is greater than the uh, selected element, then we have to replace with that. So in this example, they give a 17, 18, 5, 4, 6, and 1. So 18 is greater than the 17, so we replace it with 17. Like that, we have to turn this array into this. So to solve this question, first we have to use the for loop, which iterates from 0 to array dot size and I plus plus. And then we have to store the maximum value from the right. So we declare a variable which is right max, which equals to -1, and after that we use another for loop which iterates from z is equal to I plus 1 to array dot size. In this for loop, we have to use if condition if array of j is greater than right max, then we declare right max is equal to array j. After that, we write outside of the inner for loop the array of I equals to right max. Then we return array. So in this code, the inner for loop checks if array of j is greater than right max, then right max is equal to array of j. So it checks the right element that if it greater than right max, then it declares the array of j as the right max, and the array of y is equal to right max. If uh, this loop ends, then this ends. So let's run this code and we submit it. So that's it. Thank you.